Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Genius. In this video, I'll show you how to create an epic anime with AI like this.
So, how do we do it? Let's get started. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from Tekno Genius. First of all, we need an AI chatbot. You can use ChatGPT or any similar tool. Here I'm using Claude as an alternative to ChatGPT. Next, we need a script or storyboard. I asked Claude to generate a script using a prompt like this. Then Claude asked what kind of style I wanted, and I chose action with a Mappa Studio style, with a fantasy and struggle genre. Then we wait for the result. Alright guys, here's the result. It matches what I requested earlier. 12-shot scenes, complete with image generation prompts and video prompts. The next step is to create images using the prompts provided by Claude. Here, I'm using Google Flow with Nano Banana Pro. Just select Create Flow and start a new project. Now we set it up. Choose the Banana Pro model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and I selected generating only one image to save on usage limits. Then paste the prompt here and click Generate. And here's the first image. The style looks really good, and if you're satisfied, you can just download it. Repeat this step for the next images or scenes. Alright everyone, here are all the images I successfully generated in Flow using Nano Banana Pro. Now we just need to turn them into videos.
To make anime-based videos, not all tools or AI video generator models can produce epic anime.
Here, I found the right models with free credits, Sora 2 and Seedance 2. The links to the tools are in the description. Just log in using your Gmail account. First, let's test it in Lumina using the Seedance 2 model. I use these settings here. Then copy and paste the prompt and upload the image for each scene. Click Generate and wait for the result. And here it is, the result generated using the Seedance 2 model. If you feel this model isn't quite right, you can use Sora 2 to generate anime instead. And here's the result using Sora 2. Pretty good, right? Alright, I've now generated all the scenes in the videos. Next, we combine them using a video editor, and I'm using CapCut. For the best results, you can add sound effects or background music that matches your story. And here is the final result.
I can't let this continue.
Okay guys, that's our video this time about how to make an epic anime video. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.